Many people just copy-paste the responsibility from job description or add assigned job duty in the resumes as job description, which is not ideal to highlight your achievement. Instead of this, write job experience section, mentioning following things. Number 1, company name. Number 2, job title. Number 3, location. Number 4, duration. Number 5, job description. Job type. You can add that if you want, like full-time or part-time, or contractual. Write job description following 3 criteria. Number 1, what you do. Number 2, how you do. Number 3, what is the impact? Check this resume. In his resume, you will find that too. What he does. Led the design and development of multiple enterprise-level microservice applications of Commerce Experience Group. How he does? Using the latest technologies of Azure, CHASH, Net, Cosmos DB, Azure Functions, Key Vault, and MS Graph. What is the impact? Driving $35.3 billion of revenue every year. Obviously, it's exaggerated. If he does that, he will not do job. But he is working in a team procedure which let that result. It's okay as long as you don't lie. Use action verb. Include keywords related to job description, combining technical skill, hard skill, and soft skill. Describe the method using technical or official term, and highlight your achievement or key contributions, how company benefited by you, or result you bring into company using result-oriented metrics.